At least 5 persons have been confirmed dead in a gas explosion on Ojekunle Street in the Ladipo area of Mushin in Lagos State. The explosion occurred on Tuesday morning at the Liquefied Petroleum Gas (LPG) domestic retail center located at the popular Ladipo Spare Parts Market. An official of the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency confirmed the incident and said first responders have been sent to the site of the explosion. Also, confirming the incident, the spokesman for the National Emergency Management Agency (NEMA), Ibrahim Farinloye, explained that the bodies of 4 adults have so far been recovered from the scene of the explosion. They comprise 3 men and a woman, identified as one Mama Funmi. While a 10-year-old boy was rescued and taken to the hospital, he died before getting to the medical center. Farinloye explained that the fire at the scene had already been put out while emergency workers were making efforts to recover more bodies. Those present include personnel of NEMA, Lagos State Emergency Management Agency (LASEMA), Lagos State Fire Service and the police. The official also added that the explosion happened around 8 a.m. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.